to another vlog. I am currently at Hellshire right now, getting food. We're getting fish and lobster festival, all the good things there, you know, the usual thing in over Hellshire. I had to put on my Studio 27 hat because my hair kind of won't come, and I wasn't gonna come it just to come to Hellshire. So yeah. I can see somebody out here. It looks like they're fishing. My mom is like my #1 fan. She knows my subscribe account at all times and watches every single vlog I upload more than once. She's a super fan. You know, look. I just uploaded this vlog, so it's now live.
You know what I'm craving, mommy? A croissant spread from PriceSmart. Here.
What area? Say hi to my vlog. Anika. Tab.
Sabi na sa mga sa kaya mami. If na sa may road and no sa no Ashley.
Please.
Okay.
Hi guys. So basically, we had a Yello Creators meeting today. with Yello Media Group. Basically, I had like a bunch of Jamaican creators that coming together that are going to be creating content with Yello. And since I'm working with Yello, you know, just decided to show you guys like a behind the scenes of that, so you guys will get to see. It's very noisy in here, so I know you guys can probably hardly hear me, but I'm going to be working here with Anika for the rest of the day. Hey y'all, so we're out shopping. Say hi. We're out shopping. We are out shopping. It is Anika's birthday weekend, and Anika, of course, chose shopping for one of the activities. So here we are, spending imaginary money. Yeah, so we're doing a little bit of shopping. We're in Lee's right now. I think Anika wants shoes. If I see nice shoes, like for a good price, I'll buy, because I need some shoes. My shoes them sit down in a COVID for 2 years and then my dry rot.
Oh no. Same.
Yeah. My shoes them tired, them them look tired. So I need new heels.
That World War III will happen.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Like a nice little cover up on something.
Okay.
It's nice. Ooh. That's the vibe. I like the black swimsuit here though.
The black one though.
It's nice. A mirror, selfie, guys. Anika, you see how they just leave me hanging? Can I have like a shot in the mirror, please? Thank you. Let's see Anika. Why we can't see her? Oh, you call? I'm sick of you. She does? It's cute. We're in Brick Brand now after being in like 10 stores. A joke. Like 10 stores. It's cute. I like it. No, just like a casual vibe. But yeah. We'll find the sale section at Brick Brand, so we're balling out. And I found these glasses.
7 in these.
These glasses, tell me they don't look like Chanel glasses. Vibes. She did hella shopping. She got 3 shoes. It's her birthday, so she's balling out. What else? Oh, Nick. Oh my god, I need these. And we're at Susie's right now, Susie's Bakery, getting pastries. In here looks so cute. Them fixed up in here and it look nice. Been in here since they fixed it up recently. I got hair products and I got base from Earth Elements. Oh, we got you perfume. We got a perfume for you. There's a Ferragamo, a perfume oil. Yeah. There's Jenna have it. Ferragamo perfume oil and it smells really good. But I got this Tom Ford and the black opium. It smells so good. I've been wanting to get the actual. Nice. I've been wanting to get this.
The smell.
Essential
oily.
This is amazing. So good.
Oh my.
It's so good. It's strong. It's like. Must definitely want to go for her shoes. They're on the way back now? This girl doing a whole elements all in other people in food establishment. Complimentary water with a side of Dr. Bonners. Why the Dr. Bonners soap in the like organic water, you know? Organic water. Go for the cake?